Hey y'all, my name is Sara L. Miles and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing y'all a haul from MissA. So they did like a 8-year anniversary sale because they've been in business for 8 years. Sara, I think they're smart enough to realize what those words mean. But do I know what those words mean? So I decided to place a big old order, which not smart, but I did it anyways. And yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I'm like highly considering doing like a no buy, like at some point, like maybe now's the end of the year. I don't know, we'll probably talk about that in another video. I'm not 100% sure yet what I'm going to do. But also, excuse the hair, I have deep conditioner in it right now. If y'all want a full like hair care routine, just let me know. Just let me know, because then I could just do that. I could just do that because, like, you know, why not? Anyways, let's go on with this haul. So there is one thing I'm not going to show y'all because it's going to be a part of a bigger video that's going to take me almost an entire month to film. So I'm just not going to show y'all what it is just yet. So you can hear it, okay? But that's it. It's all packed in here. So I'm just going to toss that over there. Wow, that great start to a haul video, showing them something that they cannot see. Smart, Sara, just smart. This is why you don't have a bunch of subscribers. So I got their natural lashes in a 6 value pack. So these are in the style Alexis and they're just black. I think these are supposed to be like low-key like the Ardell Wispies or Demi Wispies, or I don't know. I don't really wear Ardell lashes all that much. Don't I have a pair of like Demi Wispies? And I have a pair, I don't know, but I think these are kind of supposed to be like that. And these have a clear band, so I think these are absolutely great for someone who is not really good with false lashes. If you're just starting with false lashes, get the ones with the clear band, because then it'll be easier for you to like see what you're doing and stuff like that. But yes, I got these. Girl, I thought I did something with this, but I got another bottle of their super strong lash adhesive. I really like it. I have another one right here, but she low-key get goopy and stuff, so I think it's time for a replacement. But I probably should have gotten another one. But yes, if you're looking for a cheap eyelash glue, get this. Girl. Alright, and they finally have their microfiber towels in packs. So I got 2 of their 4 packs of the microfiber towels. I really like these. I use these for my downstairs area because they're like small, but you could obviously use these on your face, but I like using my microfiber towels on my downstairs area. So yes, I got clean, nice, beautiful, well, it's not like my other towels wasn't clean. I got new towels. My goodness, it's hot now. I'm getting delirious now. I also decided to grab their quick dry towel. It's super absorbent towel for sports, indoor and outdoor activities. So when I go on my walk, sometimes I get like really sweaty sometimes, and I kind of just want to like, you know, sit down and cool myself off and just like kind of just soak up the sweat or something. But then also it's still hot here in San Diego. Okay, it's still hot. So it was like, I just need something, so I just have this. I also got their skincare stand organizer. So it has like these little tilted slots where you could slide in your skincare products that are specifically pouches, because like almost all of their skincare products are pouches. So my thing was, what I was gonna do is when I start running out of more of my like bottle size products in my suitcase, I was gonna start getting a lot more of their skincare because it comes into pouches, and I could fit a lot of skincare pouches inside of my skincare pouch. Okay, you're saying a lot of words. So, you know, I was keeping this so that I can have it always restocked, so I'm not like frantic like, oh my gosh, I ran out of my cleanser, now what I'm gonna do, you know. But where am I gonna put this at? I have one more command strip and I want to put it on the wall, but where though? Not sure yet. We'll figure it out. Okay, so this purchase is kind of upsetting. So I actually bought a gouache because I was just interested in, like, you know, everyone doing the gouaches. I'm like, okay, does that really work and stuff like that? And my idea was like, my thought process was, well, I don't want to spend a lot of money on a gouache if I'm not going to use it consistently, and if I don't like it, so I'd rather spend $1.88 on a gouache, and if it happens to maybe break, or if I don't use it consistently, it's fine. It was only $1.88. But the reason why this makes me sad is because my skincare fridge in my room is not working anymore. I mean, the one in the bathroom hasn't been working for months, but the one here in my room is the real heartbreak. I think it might be the cord, so I might have to buy another cord or something like that. I just want to figure it out, okay? Like, it's hot. Maybe it's hot, and I just need something cold on my face. I'm still using this though. Then I got another bottle of their buildable satin foundation in the shade the Reed 10 Amber. I think I actually showed this in an empties video. Not the most recent one, but I think so, girl. No, I don't know what videos I'll be posting. Anyways, I have this exfoliating microfiber bath towel. I actually feel like I should have bought like maybe 2, maybe 3, because I do need to replace the one that I do have, but I was actually going to put this in my suitcase so then I could exfoliate when because I don't really have exfoliating products in my suitcase, except for one that I have right now, but it's like, okay, I'm probably not going to continue to refill that, you know. And then I got this Berry Gold Raspberry Bath Bomb. I don't know why I bought this when it's like, I really don't take baths all that often. I mostly just shower, and it's like, Sarah, you have like a whole 6-pack of bath bombs still under the sink, and you have another bath bomb. I mean, they're nice at home. Like, I thought they were stupid until I actually used one. I'm like, okay, wait, this is cool. I like my, can y'all shut up for 2 seconds? I like my bath to change colors. That's actually kind of cute, especially if it's gold. Oh my God, I want to see what happens. No, seriously, can y'all be quiet? Right, I got the oil control version of their setting spray and primer spray. As you can see, I actually have the, I actually have the regular versions right here, and when I purchased those two, they shortly came out with this afterwards. I'm like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? And I also have this the refillable skincare container. This is their jar because I have some of their eye creams, and I think I just want to like squeeze it and put it in here. And what's cool on the back of here, it actually tells you what each container is suggested for, so if you're kind of confused. Now, I don't know if MissA is watching my videos, but shortly after I posted my video titled, can y'all please restock the minimum shades, the medium tones of this foundation, it restocked. So I finally got 2 of their Pro Wear foundations in a shade that I could actually wear. So Amber right here, and then this one is Honey Beige, just more to like help with like mixing other stuff, but Amber is usually my shade, and they finally restocked and I have it now. Okay, MissA, thank you. Yes, thanks. So I have their Go Brow Brow Mascara. So this is just in clear. I mean, like, it's a brow mascara, clear one. You can never go wrong with that. And then this is the eye cream that I have. Is their caffeine 10,000 ppm eye cream. So yeah, I just want to go ahead and like squeeze this into this little jar. How many ounces do I get? Okay, then how many ounces is this? Oh, this is a 15-gram jar, and you get 10 milliliters in here. So it's enough, right? I hope so, girl. I don't know, math. And then I have their niacinamide and ceramide plus green tea foam cleanser. I have their other one, and I used it once, and I really like it. But I love the fact that you twist this off, like you twist it off just so it can open, and then you flip it, and then you twist it, and it closes, so you don't really need to like actually put this in a container. It's cute. Y'all are so smart. Okay, last and certainly not least, I have 3 more of their organizing baskets right here. I have 3 like on the floor right here behind me to house some makeup, and I obviously needed 3 more, and I'm probably gonna need even more because I need to go through everything that I have, and I probably just need an intervention. That's probably what it is. Like, Sarah, you just need an intervention, or probably like a no buys. Like, it's just a lot. Like, stop trying to buy stuff to fix your problems and just stop buying stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, I just don't listen. Also, stop touching your face because then you turn red. Stop. I know you bought too much stuff from Shop MissA when they just straight up send you a box and not their cute little mailer. It's just a box because I bought too much. anyways, that is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, please give it a like. Also comment down below, have you bought anything from MissA yet? I think y'all should. I mean, it's not like you're wasting your money. It's like everything is super cheap, and honestly they got some good quality stuff. Like, I mean, like, you know, why not? I'm definitely interested in trying a lot more of their skincare products, but kind of going slow because I still have like a lot of full size products. Well, Sarah, now you have the organizer. Stop giving yourself an excuse to buy more stuff. Oh my gosh. And if you are subscribed, please click that notification bell so you get notified every time I post. And if you are not subscribed, please do, because we are trying to hit 2,000 subscribers before the year is up, and I think we could do it. Come on, y'all, help a girl out. I'm just a lonely girl trying to make it in these big YouTube streets. Help me. What is up with me in this fake cry? I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna go now. Bye.